Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to use variables in Ansible Playbooks. For this I had created a couple of files, one inventory and a playbook. So let's take a look on them. First the inventory file where I'm specifying localhost, which is my server in this case, and a group which is prod, but you always can specify your own groups and also your remote servers. Let's take a look on the playbook. This is a playbook that I used in a previous video to upgrade Jenkins in an automatic way. So now I'm using it to add variables to it. In this case, as you can see, I'm using two variables, one called app version and another one called app name. And the syntax in Ansible is with curly braces, a couple of curly braces on each side. Another thing that you can notice is that I'm using the same variable in multiple times in multiple sections in this playbook. So there is no issues on doing that. But how can I pass the values to the playbook? So for doing that, I'm going to use Ansible Playbook command. I'm going to specify the inventory file and then the option E. Here I can specify the value that I need. In this case, I'm going to upgrade Jenkins again to the LTS version, and to specify a new variable or a second variable, I need to use the space. Here I'm going to type the variable name and the value. Finally, I need to put the playbook. Okay, I'm going to execute it. Okay, the command has finished. So let's take a look on the application. As you can see, I had running this previous LTS version, and now I had to have the new one. Okay, and now it is the 289.3. And this is how you can specify variables in the command line for Ansible playbooks. This is all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks.